Hello, it's your friend Ni Hamuda here again. And how are you doing? Okay, so in this video, I want to show you all the ways to create a customized WhatsApp link. All right, a link that can lead persons to your WhatsApp. All right, so let me show you other ways, because in my first video I only emphasize on just one particular website that you can use. I want to show you other websites that you can use to generate customized WhatsApp link. However, my first video is it has been watched over 5,000 times because of the how easy it was or it is for persons to create custom. That video at the end of this tutorial, I'm going to drop the link so that you can see it, okay? Or even as the video is going now, you can see, just check the top right corner, you will see a link to get the tutorial. So let's go. So what you do, just type in create, right? All right, create WhatsApp link. Okay, are you seeing that? Just type create WhatsApp link. All right, so the first we're going to be looking at is using, because in that other video I only used this one here, which is post chrome. Okay, that's what I used. But in this video we're going to try to use other methods. Okay, we're going to use this first, which is wa.link. Okay, wa.link is a simple website that is basically for customizing WhatsApp messages, right? So just scroll down. All right, you're gonna see the dialog box here where you say create your free link here. So all you do, just put in your number. So 081, this is my Nigerian number, right? Put in your number straight. Okay, you can see that the country code is already there. If you are from other country, just click this box here. You're going to see the options come up. Are you seeing it? You see the other country codes coming up. So yeah, right here you put your customized message. So Eloni, okay, Eloni Amuder, tell me more about your course. Okay, so assuming this is the customized message. All right, so I'm going to copy this because we're going to use it in order. Okay, so that is it. So you just go over here now, right? Let me put this at this corner here. You go over there, you preview it or you create. When you click on create, it's going to create for you immediately. All right, it has been created. All right, you can even get this barcode. Sure, this barcode right here, the QR code. You can get it, you can copy it. This QR code, you can use it for your design, you can use it for your identity card, so that when someone scan this code, immediately they're going to contact you on WhatsApp. Okay, so you can download it and just hold it and then download it here to use for your design. Then this is the copy. You've copied the link now, right? When you copy the link, then you can begin to use it. All right, or you can go over to bit.ly and then you shorten it. Okay, but I'm not going to shorten this one right there. We just created our WhatsApp link successfully. That is number one method. Now the other one I want to check now is similar. This one is also a WhatsApp link generator, also website. You click on it. I'm going to drop all these websites. All right, I'll drop it in the description of this video so that you can click on them and create yours. So you just go over there, right? You see the steps are also very simple. Put in your phone number here. All right, so I'm going to put my phone number immediately: 108136650244. After your phone number, put in your customized message here. All right, which put in your customized message here. All right, I copied the wrong one, so let's go. Hello Ni Amuder, tell me more about the course. All right, so this is the customized message. All right, and then after that you just click on generate WhatsApp chat link, and then it's you see it's generated already very fast. Then you go over here, you copy it. All right, or you can even open it to test whether it's going to work. right? You open it. I think the reason why it didn't work because there's no country code, right? So this is the other one. So you have to put your country code when you are creating it. So let me show you. So I'm going to put in my country code. I'll do it like this, 2 3 4, all right, and then like this. All right, then you generate WhatsApp link. All right, that be generated. Then you copy it, and then you customize it. Okay, you can even click on this to search. Are you seeing it? It took me directly to my WhatsApp because it's correct now. All right, so that's number 2. Okay, I'm not going to. Then you also have, look at the scan code here, the QR code. You can copy this QR code. Okay, you can also use it for your design. You can see, just download it here and then you are good to go. All right, so the last that we're going to look at in this tutorial, I don't want it to be so long, just less than 10 minutes. The last is going to be this right here. There's another one here, you can use this, but let's use this particular one here. All right, so there are many. No, okay. All right, you can see, come here, put it for your phone number, put in your message, get link. All right, so there are many websites that you can use to generate your WhatsApp link. All right, there are many. All right, let me use this last one. All right, this is called free WhatsApp link generator. All right, it's called Delight Chat. All right, just come over here, put in your message 108136650244. All right, then you go over there and then put in your customized message. All right, let your customized message be there. So hello, tell me more. All right, so just that, and then click on generate WhatsApp link, and you see that the link has been generated. You copy it, then your QR code is also available for download. Now I'm going to copy this right now, and then go to bit.ly. All right, go to bit.ly. There are many. Bit.ly is not the only link management system or website. There are other. You have my former video, I used TinyURL. There is I think cut.ly or something like that. But let's use bit.ly. So when we get to bit.ly, what are we going to do is very, very easy. I think you have to put in your short code here. All right, take this out, put in your short code here, and then click on shorten, and it's going to be you see it's done already. Are you seeing that? Then this is your new link. Then you copy it, and then you can begin to use it, send it to your clients, send it to you to post on your social media, so that when people click that link, it's going to direct them to your WhatsApp with a customized message. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel because there are many other videos. Check the description of this video. I will drop the links to all these websites that you can use to customize your message very easily. All right, in less than 5 minutes. I'm also going to drop a playlist to watch my other videos, some tricks on WhatsApp that some people don't even know. All right, my name is Nia Muda. Smash that like button if you like this video. Smash the likes button, and also tell me in the comment where you're watching from and if you find this video really helpful. And don't forget, right now on the screen you will see my older video, my first video on WhatsApp. Right, watch it and then enjoy. I'll see you in another tutorial. I'm your friend Nia Muda, and I really appreciate you watching this video to the end.